Welcome to my channel Proper Watches. If you are looking for the best new Oris watches, based on specifications, you are in the right place. I included all the link in video description below. Now, let's get started. Number 9. Oris Payoon Limited Edition, 2022. It features a green dial inspired by the color of the Calibre water, a gray relief bezel, reflective of dugong skin color, and an engraving of a dugong mother and calf on the case back. Case Aquis, 43.50 mm, stainless steel. Movement automatic winding date dial green. Strap/bracelet stainless steel case material steel. Water resistance 30 atm. Bezel material steel crystal sapphire, crystal dial green. The quality is really outstanding at this price point. Number 8. Oris ProPilot X Calibre, 400 2022. Case multi-piece titanium case. With satin and sandblasted finishes dial gray. Blue or salmon luminous material indices in hour and minute hands with super luminova. Top glass sapphire, domed on both sides, double-sided. Anti-reflective coating case back, titanium. With satin and sandblasted finishes. Screwed, see-through sapphire glass operating devices. Titanium screw-in security crown. With protection bracelet titanium with folding clasp. With Oris patented lift system water resistance 10 bar. Winding automatic power reserve 120 hours. Number 7. Oris ProPilot X Kermit Edition, 2023. Case, 39 mm diameter multi-piece, titanium case, satin sandblasted domed. Sapphire with double-sided AR coating on top sapphire crystal. Case back oversized titanium screw-down crown. With guards fluted bezel 100 mm water resistant. Dial, green dial with subtle grainy texture. Printed indices and minute track in white. Hour and minute hand with super luminova. Insert, needle-like seconds hand. Date window at 6 o'clock movement. Oris Calibre 400 automatic winding bracelet. Integrated titanium bracelet with folding clasp and patented lift system. Number 6. Oris Carysfort Reef Limited Edition, watch. Case material yellow gold case diameter, 43.5 mm. Band material leather band color blue. Dial color radiant blue bezel material ceramic. Bezel function rotating bezel. Calendar date special features limited edition. Of 50 movement Oris Swiss automatic water resistant, depth 300 meters. Item shape round dial window material type. Sapphire crystal display type analog. Class buckle alpinist great piece. Incredibly affordable and just love this brand. Designed to raise awareness about the importance of protecting coral reefs and supporting marine conservation organizations. Number 5. Oris Big Crown Pointer Date 80th Anniversary, men's watch. Bronze case with a brown leather strap. Fixed bronze bezel. Dial type, analog. Luminescent hands. Pointer date. Oris Calibre 754, base SW201 automatic movement. Based upon SW201, containing 26 jewels, bidding at 28,800 VPH, and has a power reserve of approximately 38 hours. Scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Transparent case back. Round case shape. Case size, 36 mm. Case thickness, 14.3 mm. Band width, 18 mm. Tang clasp. Water resistant at 50 meters. Functions, date, hour, minute, second. Most recognizable and enduring designs, known for its vintage-inspired aesthetic and distinctive date hand. Number 4. Oris Big Crown ProPilot Altimeter, REGA Limited Edition watch. Silver tone stainless steel case. With a silver tone stainless steel bracelet. Fixed fluted silver tone, stainless steel bezel. Dial type analog. Luminescent hands and markers. Date display at the 3 o'clock position. Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement. Scratch resistant sapphire crystal. Transparent case back. Round case shape, case size. 47 mm, case thickness 18 mm. Band width, 23 mm. Fold over clasp. Water-resistant at 100 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second. Combines the aviation-inspired design of the Oris ProPilot series with specific features that honor REGA's life-saving missions. Number 3. Oris Hölstein Edition, 2022. Case full steel, 36.50 mm, stainless steel material. Multi-piece stainless steel case size 36.50 mm. Top glass sapphire, flat, anti-reflective coating inside. Case back stainless steel, screwed, special engravings. Stainless steel screw-in security crown. And pushers water resistance 5 bar. Interhorn with 18 mm movement automatic. Winding dial blue material. Blue dial strap / bracelet stainless steel. Material multi-piece, stainless steel metal bracelet. Folding clasp. Known for creating limited edition timepieces that pay homage to significant milestones, locations, or historical events. Number 2. Oris the ProPilot Altimeter, 2023. Case material carbon fiber bezel. And case back in titanium, dial color black. Indexes painted Lume Super Luminova. Water resistance 100 meters strap / bracelet green textile. With brown leather lining and PVD titanium. Buckle with fine adjustment. Power reserve, 56H functions hours, minutes, seconds. Date strap green textile fabric. And leather especially when you add the high performance. Materials and execution on top. Specifically designed for pilots and aviation enthusiasts. Featuring a built-in altimeter function. Number 1. Oris Aquis Date Relief Gray Dial Watch. Stainless steel case with a red rubber strap. Unidirectional rotating stainless steel bezel. Gray dial with silver tone hands and index hour markers. Oris Calibre 733 automatic movement. Based upon Celitan SW201, containing 26 joules, bidding at 28,800 VPH. And has a power reserve of approximately 38 hours. Anti-reflective scratch-resistant sapphire crystal. Screw-down crown. Transparent case back. Round case shape. Case size 43.5 mm. Case thickness 12.60 mm. Push-button deploy and clasp. Water resistant at 300 meters. Functions: date, hour, minute, second.